Hello everyone. In the previous videos we have seen linear search algorithm and its implementation. In this video we will be seeing binary search algorithm at a glance. Binary search is an optimized searching technique which only works on sorted data. Now let's have a look at the algorithm. So the first step is to set the first element's position as low and the last element's position as high. By this you need to compute the formula low plus high by 2. This will give you the middle element's position. Once you get the middle element, compare it with the element to be searched. Now there are three possibilities. First possibility is that the middle element equals to the element to be searched. Then in that case the element is found. Then you need to return that position and stop. In the second case, the element to be searched is greater than the middle element. Then in that case your element is located on the right side of the middle element. So make the middle plus 1th position as low and then continue the process. Otherwise make the middle minus 1th position as high and continue the process. You need to repeat step 3. Finally you will get the location of the element to be searched. This is how binary search algorithm works. Now let's have a look at the advantages of binary search. First, it is much faster algorithm than linear search. Secondly, it is much efficient on larger datasets because its time complexity is O of log n. Now let's have a look at the disadvantages. First, the data needs to be sorted, otherwise it won't work. Second is that it is little bit complex to implement when we compare it with the linear search. Now let's have a look at the working of binary search algorithm with a simple example. Here we have taken an array which is sorted of 5 elements starting from index 0 till 4. Let's say we need to search the element 100 inside this array. Now as per the algorithm, if you remember, first step is to check whether the data is sorted or not. In our case, the data is sorted, so we need not to worry, and let's proceed. Next, as per the algorithm, we need to set the first element's position as low and the last element's position as high. Here low is 0 and high is 4. Next, we need to compute the middle element with the formula low plus high by 2. We will get the middle element's position by this. Low is 0, high is 4. 0 plus 4 by 2 gives 2. So 2 is the middle element's position, and the element which is located at the position 2 is 54. Now we need to compare the middle element with the element to be searched. Here 100 is greater than 54. That means the element to be searched lies on the right hand side of the middle element. Hence we will make low as middle plus 1th position. Since middle element's position was 2 and we have made middle plus 1th element as low, therefore low value now will be middle plus 1, which is 2 plus 1, which is 3. Now we have new low as 3 and high as 4. Next we need to again compute the formula as per the new values. So 3 plus 4 by 2 gives us 3.5. It is always recommended to take the floor value. Therefore the floor value of 3.5 is 3. Therefore now the new middle element's position is 3. The element which is located at position 3 is 100. Now we need to compare the middle element with the element to be searched. So here the middle element is 100 and the element to be searched is 100. They both are equal, and therefore we will return the position 3 as it is found at index 3, and then we will stop. Hence we have found out the element at index 3. You might have observed that within very less iterations we have got the location of the element to be searched. Therefore binary search is considered to be one of the most optimal searching technique. In the upcoming video, we will be seeing the implementation of binary search algorithm in Python language from scratch. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.